Thank you for your interest in KYC Lookup. In today's fast-evolving regulatory landscape, businesses across all regulated sectors must stay ahead in the fight against financial crime and money laundering. That's where KYC Lookup comes in. At KYC Lookup, we specialise in delivering high-quality, fully accredited anti-money laundering training designed to meet your industry's unique regulatory needs. Our courses help businesses stay compliant while ensuring employees remain confident in tackling financial crime risks. But here's the challenge: one-off training isn't enough. Regulators emphasise that AML awareness must be ongoing, so employees stay vigilant throughout the year. That's why our training isn't just a tick-box exercise. It's designed to provide continuous education and regular refreshers, keeping compliance at the forefront of your business. What are the services that we offer? A range of accredited AML courses, from our introduction to AML to industry-specific training for sectors like accountancy, law, and real estate. Annual refresher courses to keep your team updated on the latest AML and financial crime trends. Short, topic-specific video tutorials, allowing employees to learn on the go without disrupting their busy schedules. But don't just take our word for it. Here's what our learners have to say. The online course had valuable information, and I look forward to completing more with KYC Lookup. The video tutorials explain AML concepts in a clear and understandable way. I've attended other AML training, but KYC Lookup's AML and KYC Foundation course is by far the best. This course helped me stay updated with AML regulations, essential for my role. Whether you're a financial institution, law firm, or any other regulated business, KYC Lookup aims to simplify compliance and empower your team with practical AML knowledge, whilst becoming your trusted AML training partner. Book a discovery call today and let's get started. Because compliance isn't just a requirement, it's a responsibility we all have.